This event is not only a testament for their academic excellence, but it's also a reflection of their perseverance, commitment, and resilience. We are here to acknowledge the outstanding efforts of our learners who have demonstrated exceptional skills and knowledge, setting a high standard for their peers. Your achievements have brought pride and honor to our dear school, Carmen National High School. To our faculty and staff, thank you for your unwavering commitment for nurturing and guiding our students toward excellence. And to our dear administrators and staff, you are all the stewards of this institution. You ensured an enabling and supportive environment for effective learning to happen. So let us make this recognition day a memorable and joyous occasion for everyone. So again, congratulations and God bless us all.
Thank you, Dr. LB, for the remarkable message. Your thoughts are going to stay with all of us. And now to speak on behalf of the parents, we have here as always our very supportive FPDA President, Mrs. Christy Labo. But since she can't make it today, she will be represented with her other half, maybe go on, retired Major Jovito George A. Labo. A round of applause, please.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your very inspiring introductions. To our beloved head principals, Ma'am Edita Mendoza, the head principals of Carmen National High School, other guests, other faculties, members who are sacrifices, other stakeholders, hindi ko na mapagkita ang mga pangalan, the other local officials, my dear parents and other faculties members, the members of the Parents Teachers Association, visitors, guests, friends, mapagpalang umaga sa inyong lahat, students. Happy 43rd Recognition Day sa inyong lahat, sa mga nagtatapos. So it is my distinct honor and privilege that I will represent my wife, Christina Labo. He is the president of the Parent Teachers Association. So nandito ako with the draft requirements. Well, actually, inatiran ko ito. So, for the advice of those
Dr. Edita P. Mendoza.
So greetings with utmost respect to our two department heads, Ma'am LB De La Cruz for the academic department, Ma'am Mina LB for the Makabayan department, for our PTA president, on behalf of Mrs. Labo, here is her husband, Mr. Jovito Labo, retired Major Jovito A. Labo, to our faculty president, Mr. Bernard Ramos, including her mother, Mrs. Pearly Ramos, and her companion, to the PTA, to the other PTA officers who are present here, to our dear teachers, staff, to our dear parents, students, ladies and gentlemen. As you stand the threshold of a new chapter of your lives, we celebrate your achievements and your journey that has led you to this pivotal moment, your recognition day. Today, we honor the Filipino youth. No? Of course, kayo yun, mga anak, di ba? So, as our recognition day team, of course, kasama tayo doon sa graduation team, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng Pilipinas. Matatag, no? Yan po ang ating banner ngayon, hashtag matatag, no? Because yan po ang ipinakita ng Carmen National High School for so long. For how many years? 43rd, no? For 43 long years, ano? Ang pagkamatatag for us to be thankful to our Almighty God. Marami po yun, ano? Marami. Pero I will mention some pivotal achievements that we gained. So, the first thing that
Permanence in this anymore. We use service built-in from the forefront of innovation to guide us toward academic excellence. Isa pa nga po palakpak para po sa ating mahal na principal. Today signifies the demands of hard work and the relentless pursuit of knowledge that will enable our students to embrace opportunities and take on challenges life may bring with courage, confidence, and wisdom. And this would not be possible without the guidance and support of the parents and our stakeholders. At this point, we are to give a rightful recognition to our stakeholders who have helped our institution to have a fruitful and successful academic year. We call on our school head, teachers, and guests of honor, and our FPTA representatives to award the certificate to our stakeholders. Let me read the citation. Department of Education, Region 3, Division of Nueva Ecija, District of Zaragoza, Carmen National High School, School ID 300796. Certificate of Appreciation is hereby awarded to the FPTA officers in grateful appreciation for their exceptional dedication and support to the school, thus bringing great impact and success in the implementation of different projects and activities here at Carmen National High School. Given this 30th day of May 2024 during the 43rd Recognition Day of Carmen National High School, Carmen Zaragoza, Nueva Ecija, signed Evita P. Mendoza, EDD, Principal 4, and on behalf of the FPTA President, may I call on Ma'am Perdita Ramos to receive the award. Let's give him a round of applause. A round of applause, please. Again, congratulations. You're moving forward to more years of partnership with all of you. Alapakan po natin ulit sila. On every occasion, the presence of the guest of honor and speaker.
Napakaganda at approachable na ating school head, Ma'am Edith Mendoza. Sa ating pong kasamang head teacher, Ma'am Elvin de la Cruz. Sa ating pong Miss Monette Santos Macanilay. Let's give her a one round of applause.
Sa ating budihing punong guro, Dr. Evita Mendoza. Sa ating mga panauhin, mga guro ng Carmen National High School, mga magulang at mag-aaral, isang masaya at mapagpalang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Bagamat ramdam po natin ang init ngayon, pero itong okasyon na ito ay hindi natin maipagpapaliban dahil ito ay para sa mga mag-aaral na narito ngayon at tatanggap ng kanilang medalya ng karangalan. Ang ating lugar ay mapapaligiran ng palayan, tama? Tama ba? Kaya ang Nueva Ecija ay mas kilala bilang tama, Rice Granary of the Philippines. Alam naman ninyo na ang isang palay, bago ito anihin, ito ay magsisimula sa isang butil ng palay o ang tinatawag na binhi. Ito ay tinatanim at hihintayin palakihin upang magbunga ng palay at pagkatapos ito ay aanihin. Isipin na lamang na kayong mag-aaral na narito ngayon ay dating mga butil o binhi ng inyong mga magulang na tinuruan mula sa kanilang nalalaman, ginabayan sa elementarya hanggang sekundarya at unti-unting lumalawak ang kaalaman habang kayo ay lumalaki. Malayo na, pero malayo pa, ika nga. Katulad ng isang palay, habang ito ay patuloy na lumalaki at tumitibay ang ugat, dumaraan ang mga pagsubok na hindi inaasahan. Ang napakalakas na bagyo na maaari bunga nito ay ang pagkadapa ng palay. Ang peste na pilit na sumisira at umuubos ng laman ng palay kaya naapektuhan ang ani ng isang magsasaka. Pero ang magsasaka hindi papayag na malugi sa kanyang aanihin. Kaya kahit tirik pa ang araw at ramdam ang pawis na tumutulo sa buong katawan, ipagpapatuloy ang pagsasabog ng mga pataba upang lalong tumibay ang kanyang palay. Katulad ninyo, kayo ngayon ay isang mag-aaral na patuloy na nagiging matibay ang pundasyon na kayo'y aanihin ng inyong mga magulang o malayo pa na makakamit ninyo ang inyong pangarap. Basta't laging tatandaan na laging nandyan ang inyong magulang na nagsisilbing inyong mga magsasaka ng buhay. Dahil lahat ay kanilang gagawin para balang araw ang binhi ng palay na kanilang itinanim ay kanilang aanihin. Dahil alam nila na handa na ninyong harapin at matatag na kayo sa pagharap ng realidad ng buhay na kayo mismo ang makikipagsapalaran. Maraming salamat po muli sa pag-imbita sa akin sa inyong okasyon sa pagtanggap ng medalya ng karangalan ng mga mahuhusay na mag-aaral na ito. Naway ipagpatuloy ninyo ang kahusayan at pagpapayabong ng sarili mula at pagbalain.
National High School, Carmen Zaragoza, Nueva Ecija. Lack of recognition is awarded to Monette Santos Macarilay in grateful acknowledgement